Hello dear students, in this class we are going to start with the quadratic equations. Okay, here quadratic equation is represented by in variables. In x variable, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation degree 2. In a quadratic we have a degree 2 variable. Okay, x a b c are the coefficients. A b c are the coefficients. Okay, x square x are variables. Okay, now what here we have a various situation described with a quadratic function. Some of the uses of quadratic function. Here when a rocket is fired upwards, the path of the rocket is defined by the quadratic function. Okay, quadratic function, like it will move like parabolic path. Okay, in same shape of its satellite dishes, reflecting mirrors in telescope, lenses of eyeglasses, orbits of celestial objects are defined by the quadratic function. Okay, here what is the use we are discussing now. And next is satellite dish, reflecting mirror, lenses of spectacles, artificial satellite and earth. Okay, the path of projectile can be represented by quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic function, whatever. Okay, now we will start first exercise problems. Okay, here we have a 5.1 exercise. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Okay, here we have a second question. X square minus 2x is equals to minus 2x minus 2 multiply inside, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 2 minus 2 minus plus 2x. So from here x square, send this to x, minus 2x is equals to minus 6. So x square minus 4x is equals to minus 6. Hence we have a quadratic form, right? Quadratic form. Hence therefore we can say that this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, next, third question. What we have, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So from here we can write it as x into x square, x into 1 x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 equals to x into x square plus x into 3x, minus 1 into x minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Therefore plus x minus x plus x square cancel. Therefore this is a linear form, right? X minus 2x minus x minus 2 is equals to this is 2x minus 3. Okay, 3x minus x is 2x minus 3. Therefore this is a linear form, right? This is a linear form. This is a linear form, linear equation. This is a linear equation. Okay, this is a linear equation, not quadratic equation. This is not quadratic equation. Therefore this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, this is not a quadratic equation. Similarly this also we don't know exactly, so we will do now. Okay, here we have x into 2x multiply x into 2x square, x into 1 plus x, minus 3 into 2x minus 3 2 is 6, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 equals to x into x square, x into 5x. Okay, here x square send to the left hand side, 5x send it to the left hand side. From here 2x square minus x square is 2x square minus x square. This is x minus 6x is how much? Minus 5x. And this is plus 5x, send it to the left hand side, minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. So from here 2x square minus x square is 1x square, minus 5x is minus 10x, minus 3 is equals to 0. This is also quadratic equation. Therefore this is quadratic equation. Okay, so here we have a question. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to a minus b whole square. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab formula, a b. Okay, so here plus x square cancel, because if I send it left hand side, x square minus x square cancel, right? So this is in the form of linear form. See here, 2 2s are 4 minus minus 4x. Okay, if I bring this here, 3x plus 4x is equals, if I bring this 1 here, 4 minus 1, so this is 7x is equals to 3. Therefore x is linear form. This is a linear form. This is linear. So therefore this is not a quadratic, because linear x degree is 1. This is not quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. So here we have x plus 2 whole cube is equals to x into x square minus 1. A plus b whole cube formula. Okay. A plus b whole cube formula. Use this. A plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. This is the formula. This is the formula. Apply here. So I am applying a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, a b square is equals to 2 into x into 2x into x square, 2x cube, 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. So from here x cube plus 2 to the power of 8 plus 3 to the 6x square plus 4 3 is a 12x is equals to 2x cube minus 2x. So here we have 2x cube is there. So this is a cubic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. Okay. If I send this x cube to the right hand side, it will become x cube minus, send this x square to the right hand side, then minus x square. 12x, send it to the left and right hand side, minus 2x minus 2x minus 12x, send it to the 8 to the right hand side, minus 8 equals to 0. Therefore this is a cubic equation. This is not quadratic equation. It's not a quadratic equation. Okay, this is not a quadratic equation. This is a cubic equation. Okay. Here we have a represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. Is only asking represent the following equation in quadratic form. Okay, is only asking quadratic form. Okay. Now here given, let area of a rectangle. Here rectangle is saying, right? Rectangle plot. This is a rectangle plot. Okay. Let L be the length. L be the, or else let us say here, let x be the length. Let x be the length and y be the width or breadth. Okay, let x be the length, y be the breadth. So given data, area of a rectangle. Here area of a rectangle formula is what? Area of rectangle formula is equals to x into y, length into breadth. Okay, this is the formula. So given data, we will write first. Given is area of a rectangle is equals to area of rectangle is equals to 528 meters square. Okay. Next, length of the plot is So length of the plot, here length is x is given, right? Length of the plot is means is equals to 1 meter more. That means 1 meter more. Twice its breadth. Breadth is what? Y. 2y. Okay. Hence we have a relation. This is given according to the statement. According to given statement. So this is x is equals to 2y plus 1. X is equals to y plus 1. Here we know area of rectangle, right? This is area of rectangle. Now what is area of rectangle? X into y, right? I am substituting x into y is equals to 528. Now can I substitute in the place of here y? I am sending this x to the right hand side. it will become 528 by x, right? So in the place of y, can I substitute this? Substitute this, let us call it equation 1. Substitute one equation in x is equals to 2y plus 1. Okay, now from here x is equals to 2 into y is what? 528 by x plus 1. So from here we can write it as x is equals to 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 5s are 10. Okay, by x plus 1. So from here do LCM, first LCM x. So 1056 plus x into 1 x. Okay, x into x as multiply here. So we can write it as x square is equals to 1056 plus x. From here this is the framing a quadratic, right? X square plus x will comes here minus x, and this will comes to the left hand side minus 1056. Therefore this is the quadratic required. This is a required quadratic. This is a required quadratic. That's all. He is asking what just to represent. This is in the form of quadratic. That's all. Here we need to find length and breadth of the plot is asking. But here in the question, represent situation in the form of quadratic is saying. Okay. Here in this we need to find the length and breadth of the plot is saying. But here represent the following situation in the form of quadratic is saying. Okay. So up to here for the given question, this is the required quadratic. But in order to find the length and breadth, we need to factorize this. Okay, 1056. 1056, if I multiply 32 into 33, I can get this 1056. Okay, if I multiply this, I can get 1056. If I subtract this, I can get minus 1. Okay, like minus 33 plus 32 is how much? Minus 1, right? In a similar way I am factorizing this. If I want to furtherly solve this, I am writing here x square minus 33x minus 32x minus 1056 is equals to 0. And if I take common x here, I can get x minus 33 minus 32 take common, minus 32 take common, this is plus. Okay, this plus 32 take common, x minus 33 equals to 0. X minus 33 into common, x minus 33 take common, x plus 32 equals to 0. Now from here x minus 3 equals to 0, 33 equals to 0, or x plus 32 equals to 0. And from here x is equals to, bring this 33 or x is equals to minus 32. So here distances never be negative, right? Distances never be negative, hence this is rejected. Hence x is equals to 33. Length is 33. Now from here given relation, equation 1 or any one, if I consider x is equals to 2y plus 1, x is equals to 2y plus 1, x is equals to 2y plus 1, substitute here 33 here in this. 33 is equals to 2y plus 1. Bring this 1 to the left hand side and it will become 32 equals to 2y. And bring this 2 to the left hand side. 32 by 2 is equals to y. Y is equals to 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. So 16. Y is equals to 16. Hence we got length and breadth. Okay, therefore x is equals to 33 is a length. Y is equals to 16 with a breadth. Therefore this is a solution for the given question. Actually in the question they asked what? Just a quadratic. Up to here this is a solution enough. In some of the cases they will ask you to find length and width. That is the reason why I am just explaining you this complete solution. Okay, that's all. In this question also same, represent in the quadratic format. Okay, product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Okay, we need to just form a quadratic format. Okay, product of the two consecutive positive integers is 306. Let two consecutive numbers, let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive numbers. Two consecutive numbers two consecutive numbers. Okay, x and x plus 1 with the two consecutive numbers, positive integers is 306. Product is saying, okay, what is saying product? Given data, what is that? Product of two numbers is equals to 306. 306. So product means what? Multiplication. Here we consider x and x plus 1. So we consider x into x plus 1 is equals to 306. Therefore, if I multiply inside x into x, x square, x into 1, x is equals to 306. Therefore, here x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. Therefore, this is the quadratic equation. This is the solution. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. That's all. We need to just show what is quadratic equation. In this, we need to find the integers is asking, right? So we need to find. Okay. See, if you want to solve this problem, here 306 is there, right? 306 can be written as 7 into 18, right? 7 into 18. So 7 into 18 you will get 306. So 7 into 18 here. If I subtract here 18 minus 17 you will get 1, right? So x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equals to 0. So from here take common x plus 18 minus 17 take common x plus 18 equals to 0. So what we have here? Common we have x plus 18. So take common. Then x minus 17 remains is equals to 0. So a into b is equals to 0 means either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 18, x is equals to plus 17. Okay. So consider x is equals to plus 17 here. Consider x is equals to plus 17. If I consider x is equals to plus 17, I can get positive. Okay. If I consider a positive integers instead, okay, that's the reason we are considering positive integers, and negative values we are rejecting because here mentioned the positive. Okay. So from here x is equals to 17 we got it, and next consecutive numbers be x plus 1, right? Next number be x plus 1, which is 17 plus 1. Therefore this is 18. 17 plus 1 18. Therefore 17 18 be the consecutive numbers. 17 18 be the consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers. That's all. This is the solution. Clear? In this question also we need to frame just a quadratic equation. Okay, no need of further solving. Even though here a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. Okay, a train travels here one destination, one point to this point. Let us say this is A point, this is B point. In general, a train travels and covers a distance of 480 kilometers. Okay, uniform speed. If the speed has been increased, before increasing the speed, it reaches 480 kilometers. Let x be the speed. Okay, let x be the speed. X be the speed of train. Okay, let x be the speed of train, and distance covered by train. Distance covered by train is equals to what? Distance covered by train is 480 kilometers. 480 kilometers. Now here speed, we know the speed formula, right? Speed, what is the formula? Speed is equals to distance by time. Distance by time. See, this is in general a train traveling at a speed of x covering 480 kilometers in time t. We don't know that time t. Okay, then we are writing this formula. Speed is equals to distance by time. Here we assumed what? Speed is what? X. Okay, we assumed. Distance is what? 480 kilometers. By time is what? Time t1. Time t1. Okay, time t1 is the time taken by a train to reach from A to B in uniform speed of x. Okay, and send this t1 to the left hand side. T1 is equals to 480 by x. Okay, 480 by x is the time taken. Here write time taken by a train to cover given distance. So here t1 is the time taken by a train. Now apply conditions. Now what is saying, speed has been increased to 480 for 8 kilometers per hour, is applying conditions. Now apply given conditions. Apply conditions. What is apply conditions? So speed is increased. Speed is increased 8 kilometers per hour. Speed is increased by 8 kilometers per hour. In general, initially x is a speed, right? Now here applying condition, according to the condition, speed is increased. Speed increase 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers 8 kilometers per hour. Okay, 8 kilometers per hour. So in general, x is the initial speed. X is the initial speed. Now if I am adding, increasing 8 kilometers, therefore total speed is what? Total speed is equals to x plus 8 kilometer per hour. Okay, 8 kilometer per hour. Total speed I am writing. And if a speed increases, time will changes, right? Time will also change to reach the destination, right? A to B. So time t2, let us say. Time t2. Okay. Time t2 is equals to, what is this formula? Distance by speed. Okay. What is the distance covered? 300. What is that distance? 480 kilometers. Okay. 480 kilometers is a constant. Speed is what? X plus 8. So t2 is the time, 480 by x plus 8 hours. This is hours. Okay, this is hours in time. And this is also hours. Now from here, what I am saying here, it would take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. What is saying here, time t1 minus time t2 is equal, so it will take 3 hours is saying. Okay, time difference is 3 hours given. So what is the time t1? T1 is 480 by x. 480 by x minus t2 is what? 480 by x plus 8 is equals to 3, right? Now from here, 480 take common, 1 by x minus this is minus 1 by x plus 8 is equals to 3. Here 480 take common, just I took common here. Okay, and do LCM. 480 into x plus 8 minus x by x into x plus 8 equals to 3. So cancel this. Multiple is there now. If I send to the right hand side, it will become what? Plus x minus x cancel, and this is 8 by x into x plus 8. This multiple comes to the left hand side, right hand side, it will become divide 480. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, so 160. Okay, now cross multiplication. 1 remains here. 1 into this term, 8 into 160 is equals to 1 into x plus 8. So from here we can write it as 8 zeros are 0, 4 8s are 8 6 are 48, 8 ones are 8 plus 4 12, 80 is equals to x into x square, x into 8 8x. So from here we can write it as quadratic form, x square plus 8x minus, if I send this to the right hand side, it will become minus 1280 equals to 0 be the required quadratic equation. That's all. Required quadratic equation. This is the required is asking. Okay, here is asking to find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Okay, we'll use factorization. Now given quadratic is given, first bit problem. Okay, x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. Now here minus 10 is there. Okay, 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10, right? 5 minus 2, 2 5s are 10, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So if I multiply this, I am getting 10, and also if I subtract this, I am getting middle term, right? Splitting middle term. Now from here, what I can write here? X square minus 2 into 5 here, 5x minus plus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. See here, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3x, right? So I can write in the place of this 3x, I can write minus 5x plus 2x. Okay. So take common x common. If x is taken common, then x remains x minus. Yeah, we don't have x. We took already common, right? 5 plus. Here we are taking common 2. 2 common. Then x minus 5 equals to 0, right? So x minus 5 is there. Take common. X minus 5 take common. Then remaining is x plus 2 equals to 0. Now a into b equals to 0 means a equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Similar way here, x minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so x is equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2. So these are the two roots. Therefore 5 minus 2 are the two roots. Required roots. That's all. This is a solution. Okay. Here we have a second question. 2x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So here 2 6 are 12, right? 2 6 are 12. So 12. I'm getting 12 now. 12 can be separated by, like, 12 can be factors. 2 6 are 12, right? Or else 12 can be written as 2 minus 6, 4 you are getting, right? But here middle term 1 is there. So I need to get what? 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. If I take this 4 minus 3, you are getting 1. So I am taking this 4 and 3. Okay. So here 2x square plus 1x is there. Can I write in the place of 1x 4x minus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. Next, from here take 2x common. Take 2x common. Then remaining is 1x plus here remaining is 2 minus. If I take common minus 3, then in the place of minus you will get plus. Okay. So x plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 2 same we have, right? X plus 2 x plus 2. So take common x plus 2 and remaining is 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore a into b is equals to 0 means either a plus b, a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Similar way, in this way we wrote here x is equals to plus 2 send to the right hand side minus 2. If I send this plus minus 3 to the right hand side plus 3. So 2 multiple send it to the right hand side, it will become 3 by 2. And this is x is equals to minus 2. Okay. Therefore here we have minus 2 and 3 by 2 are the required roots. Required roots. That's all. This is the solution. Okay. This is the solution. Here one more question we have. Root 2 into x square plus 7x plus pi root 2 is equal to 0. First what we will do here, x square coefficient and constant multiply. Okay. X square coefficient and constant multiply. You will get one certain number, right? Root 2 into 5 root 2. Okay. Root 2 into 5 root 2 multiply. Now what you will get the result? If I multiply root 2 into 5 root 2, what you will get? Root 2 into root 2, 2, 5 2s are 10. Therefore 10 here. 10 can be written as 5 2s are 10, right? 5 plus 2 is how much? 5 plus 2 is 7 you are getting, right? So can I use this number? So I am using this. Root 2 x square plus 7 can be written as 2x plus 5x is 7x, right? So 5 root 2 equals to 0. So from here I am taking common here 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Okay. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So here we have root 2 into root 2. So how many terms we have common? Root 2 root 2. 1 root 2 1 root 2 same we have, and xx we have take common 1 root 2 take common, x take common, remaining is x remains, x plus root 2. Similar way, from here 5 take common, x plus root 2 equals to 0. So x plus root 2, x plus root 2 same we have, right? Take common, x plus root 2 and remaining x root x, 2 root x plus 5 equals to 0. A into b is equals to 0 means a plus b is equals to 0, or root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So from here we can say x is equals to root, send it to the right hand side, minus root 2. Okay, this is one root. Next, send plus 5 to the right hand side, root 2 into x is equals to minus 5. Root 2, send it to the right hand side, multiple, it will come divide, minus 5 by root 2. Therefore this is one more root. So therefore minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2 are required roots. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. First do simplify here. 1 by 8 is there now. So first we will simplify. 8 LCM, do LCM. That means multiply 8 to the everything, everywhere. Do LCM 8. So 2 8s are 16x square minus 8 into 1, 8x plus 1 equals to 0. So 8 send it to the right hand side. It will become what? 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equals to 0. So x square coefficient and constant multiply. Okay, x square coefficient and constant multiply. So x square coefficient 16 into 1 is 16. So 16. 16 can be written as 4 4 is 16, right? 4 4 is 16. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. You are getting 8. So can I write now? So I am writing here 16x square minus 4x minus 4x minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here take common 4x, remaining is 4x minus 1, and take common minus 1. From here minus take common, in the place of minus you will get plus if I take common minus. Okay, so 4x minus 1 equals to 0. So from here 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 same we have, right? 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 same we have. So take common 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 take common, and remaining is 4x minus 1 equals to 0. So 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 we have. 4x minus 1 is equals to 0, or 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So bring this 1 to the right hand side. 4x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 by 4. 4 multiple, send it to the right hand side, and similar way x is equals to 1 by 4. Both are same, right? So therefore 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Therefore 1 by 4, 1 by 4 are required roots. Required roots. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. This is the solution. So in the next question, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equals to 0. First, multiply x square coefficient and constant. Okay, x square coefficient and constant. What you will get? 100 only, right? 100 can be written as so 100, 10 into 10, 100, right? 10 into 10, 100, right? 10 into 10, 100. 10 plus 10, how much? 10 plus 10 is 20, right? So can I write this 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equals to 0. So if I take common from here 10x, then remaining here is 10 remains, x remains, minus 1 remains. If I take common minus here, minus 1, then if I take minus 1 common, in the place of minus you will get plus. That's all. 10x plus, in the place of plus, minus 1 equals to 0. So therefore here 10x minus 1 same, take common 10x minus 1, and 10x minus 1 equals to 0. A into b is equals to 0 means either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0, or 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore 10x, send 1 to the right hand side, minus 1 plus 1, right? Multiple is there, x is equals to 1 by 10, divide it will become. Similarly 10x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 by 10. Therefore 1 by 10 are required roots. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. x into x plus 4 is equals to 12. Okay, so given x into x multiply inside x into x square plus x into 4 4x minus 12, send it this plus 12 to the left hand side minus 12. Okay, now x square coefficient 1 into constant minus 12, so you will get minus 12. Okay, so 4 3s are 2 6 are 12, right? 2 6 are 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, or else 4 3s are 12. But if I add up together or subtract together, can I get middle term? No, that is the reason why we are not considering 4 and 3. Okay, if I subtract this 6 minus 2, I can get the middle term. That's the reason I am considering 6 and 2. Okay, so x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equals to 0. So from here, x square means we have 2x terms inside. Okay, so if I take common x from here, x take common, then x remains 1, x remains plus 6 remains minus. From here minus 2 take common, then in the place of minus you will get plus, and remaining terms you will write x plus 2 6 are 12 is equals to 0. Therefore x plus 6 same we have, take common x plus 6, and x minus 2 remains, x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x plus 6 is equals to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 6, or x is equals to plus 2. Therefore minus 6 and 2 are the required roots. Okay, this is a solution. Here in this, find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So we don't know those numbers. Okay, we don't know those numbers. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let x and y be the two numbers. Okay, let x and y be the two numbers. X and y be the two numbers. Okay, then given according to the given statement, according to given question, we can write it as sum is equals to sum of numbers is equals to 27, and product is equals to 182. So what is sum? Sum means addition. Addition of two numbers is x plus y is equals to 27 is given. Okay, and product means multiple. Okay, multiple, x into y is equals to 182. From here what we can write, can I write in the place of y, I am sending x to the right hand side, 182 by x, can I write? So I am substituting this equation 1, call it, in this equation. Substitute 1 in x plus y is equals to 27. Okay, so x plus, in the place of y what we can write, 182 by x is equals to 27. So from here what we can write, x take LCM, x into x square plus 182 by x is equals to 27. X send it to the right hand side, what you will get, x square plus 182 is equals to 27 into x. Okay, now bring this 27 to the left hand side, then what you will get, x square minus 27x plus 182 equals to 0. 182 equals to 0. Now from here 182 we have, just do LCM. 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2. So here next, so here 91 can be written as multiples of 13 7s are 91. Okay, 13 7s are 91. So can I write here 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14 into 13, you will get 182 only, right? 182 only. If I add up together, can I get 27? Yeah, absolutely, I am getting the 27. So can I write here x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equals to 0. So from here take common x, x minus 14, take common minus 13, then x minus 14 equals to 0. If I take common minus, in the place of minus you will get plus, in the place of plus you will get minus. Okay, so here x minus 14 we have same, take common, and x minus 13 is remains equals to 0. So from here x minus 14 is equals to 0, or x minus 13 equals to 0, x is equals to 14, or x is equals to 13, x is equals to 14, or x is equals to 13. Therefore x is equals to 14, right? Consider x is equals to 14 first. Okay, x is equals to 14, and then we have x plus y is equals to 27, right? Substitute in x plus y is equals to 27, given equation. This is a given, right? Sum is equals to 27. Substitute in 27. Then if I substitute 14 here, y value is how much? Y value is, if I bring this 14 to the right hand side, minus 14 will become. Y is equals to 13. Therefore, this is 14 and 13 are the two consecutive numbers, or else 13 and 14. You will get similarly, if I substitute this, I can get y is equals to same numbers. Okay. So if I substitute in x plus y is equals to 27, x is equals 13 plus y is equals to 27, y is equals to, bring the 13 to the right hand side, minus 13, you will get 14. Y is equals to 14. Therefore 13 and 14 are the two consecutive numbers we assumed here. Okay, reversely you are getting, that's it. Here 13 14 be the two consecutive numbers. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, this be the solution. Okay, x, y be the two numbers and sum is 27, product is, according to that we framed and we substituted in this, and we got the quadratic equation. From there 182 can be splitted as 14 into 13. Okay, 14 into 13. So 14 into 13 can be written as 14, 13, 27 middle term. So hence we factorize the term, and 14, 13 we got it. 14 and 13 are the two numbers, are required solution. That's all. Okay. Find the dimension of the rectangle whose perimeter is 18 meters and whose area is 40. So what is the dimensions? Let x be the length of rectangle. Okay, x be the length and y be the breadth. Y be the breadth. It is a rectangle. Okay, and this is x length and this is y breadth. So what is saying perimeter? Perimeter is given. Perimeter is equals to 28 meters is given, and area is equals to 40 square units is given. Meter square is given. Okay, meter square is given. Now here perimeter. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? See, remember here one side this x is there. This is also x, right? This is also x. This y means this is also y. So y plus y, x plus x. Perimeter. Okay, perimeter formula is 2 times 2x plus 2y. Here x side 2 times we have 2x. Y side we have 2 times 2y. Addition of those two sides. 2x plus 2y is equals to 28. Okay, so take 2 common. X plus y is equals to 28. Send this 2 to the right hand side, and what you will get? X plus y is equals to 28 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. X plus y is equals to 14. So equation 1. Okay, next area of the rectangle formula is what? Length into breadth. Length into breadth is equals to 40. Length into breadth is equals to 40. From here y is equals to, can I send x to the right hand side? 40 by x. So substitute in equation 1. Okay, substitute in equation 1. Equation 1 is this, implies x plus, I am writing x in the place of y. What I am writing? 40 by x is equals to 14. Okay, 14. From here do LCM. X into x, x square plus 40 is equals to 14. x multiply here, x square plus 40 is equals to 14x. So from here just bring this term to the left hand side, x square minus 14x plus 40 equals to 0. Hence therefore with this a factor, now we need to do factorization. Okay, factorization. Now factorization for 14 we need to get. Middle term is what? 14. Okay, middle term is 14. Now 1 into 40 is 40. So 40 can be reduced in how many way? 40. 4 tens are 40, right? 4 tens are 40. 4 plus 10 is how much? 14. 4 plus 10 is how much? 14. So can I write x square minus 10x minus 4x plus 40 equals to 0. So I can write it in this way. Middle term can be splitted as minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14, right? So from here take x common, from here x common, then what you will get? X minus 10 and minus 4 common, x minus 10 equals to 0. So here x minus 10 take common, x minus 10, and remaining is x minus 4 equals to 0. So x minus 10 equals to 0 or x minus 4 is equals to 0. So send this 10 to the right hand side, x is equals to 10 or x is equals to 4. Therefore x is equals to 10, 4 we got it, two values we got. Now here substitute any one. I am substituting in first equation. Okay, I am substituting in first equation. Substitute in equation 1. So what is equation 1? We have x plus y is equals to 14, right? X plus y is equals to 14. So here if I substitute 10 plus y is equals to 14, bring this 10 to the right hand side, y is equals to 14 minus 10, which is y is equals to 4. Therefore y is equals to 4 and x is equals to 10. Okay, x is equals to 10. And these are the two numbers we got it. If similar way, if you substitute the same you will get. Okay, 4 and 10 are the two consecutive. So 4 and 2 are the dimensions of the rectangle. Therefore x is equals to 10 be the length and y is equals to 4 be the breadth. Therefore these are the dimensions of rectangle. Therefore this is a solution. Okay, that's all.